Hey, Nolan Ryan here. As Texans, we take great pride in hospitality and family values. Visit Sweetie Pie's Ribeyes in North Texas, and you'll see what I mean.
When my parents opened their first restaurant over 40 years ago, they had a singular mission: make every guest feel like they came over to our family home for dinner. My sister and I are blessed with the opportunity to carry forward that mission at Sweetie Pie's Ribeyes, where we're guided by three fundamental family values passed down to us by our parents. The first is to serve food we love to eat. Our grandmother, Mama Jo, was an incredible cook, and she passed down her skills and timeless recipes to our parents. And those recipes have been the basis of every restaurant from Bubba's Cook's Country to Babe's Chicken Dinner House and now Sweetie Pie's Ribeyes. The flavors aren't complicated, just simple ingredients: butter, salt, and pepper. No exotic trend of the year flavors to get tired of. Just honest, delicious meals that will satisfy your appetite and warm your soul. The second value we live by: we use only the best ingredients we can get our hands on. Dedication to quality is our top priority. We make every single ingredient the freshest and best we can find. But you know what? Looking for the highest quality products is a never-ending endeavor. We have always been proud of our steaks, and for 16 years we served the same high-quality ribeye. That was right up until we conducted a blind taste test of that steak up against the Texas beef from Goodstock by Nolan Ryan. I'll tell you this, not only was it the first time we found a better steak, but the decision was unanimous. It's just one story, but it's how you have to operate when you refuse to serve anything that isn't the very best. Last but not least, when you eat here, you're family. Texans are welcoming by nature, and our local roots run deep. So we know that the best food in the world means nothing if your guests aren't comfortable. Growing up, our home was full of love, and we were absolutely committed to making Sweetie Pie's a place where anyone can get together and feel welcomed and loved. So please come on in, get comfortable, don't forget to bring your appetite. By the time you leave, you'll feel like you're part of our family.
When you're proudly serving Goodstock, you're serving the finest for certain.